accompany you throughout the video. As demonstrated in our project, we designed an IoT-based system circuit consisting of alarm buzzer, a tilt-over detection sensor, a traffic LED light system, ESP32, additional fire detection sensor, a temperature and humidity sensor, and infrared obstacle avoidance sensor. So let's test out our system. Firstly, we will test the KY026 fire detection sensor, which is integrated with a buzzer. When fire is detected, the sensor triggers the buzzer to generate an alarm sound, warning people in the surrounding area. Simultaneously, the detected data is shared with the web user interface and the Blynk IoT dashboard. For the sake of simplicity, this demonstration will focus only on the Blynk web dashboard IoT system. Next, we will test the DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor. For the test case, the sensor will be gently heated using the lighter to observe the temperature response, and humidity will be increased by blowing air onto the sensor to evaluate its humidity detection performance. Next, the field level KY032 sensor will be tested to determine whether the bins are filled with garbage. The sensor also shares real-time IoT data with the Blynk dashboard for monitoring purposes. Last but not least, we will validate the performance of the KY020 tilt-over detection sensor. The tilt detection scenarios include left, right, and front tilt conditions with real-time status updates displayed on the Blynk WebUI dashboard. A red indicator represents a non-tilted state, while a white indicator signifies that the sensor has detected a tilt. And that is our semester project and demonstration video for the IoT course. Thanks for listening us, and ciao.